Hey everyone! Ever wondered how you can make an extra $500 a month without breaking a sweat? Today we're talking about bank bonuses, a simple, low-effort way to pad your wallet. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer: this is not investment advice. Every case is different, and we are not licensed financial professionals. So, what exactly are bank bonuses? Banks often offer cash incentives to attract new customers. These bonuses usually range from $100 to $500 or more, just for opening an account and meeting certain requirements. Unlike credit card bonuses, opening a checking account and being eligible for the bonus does not require a credit pull or spending minimums, and this does not impact your credit score. Checking and saving accounts instead will ask you to set up direct deposit or to maintain a minimum balance in order to be eligible for the bonus. Some banks might also ask you to perform a set number of transactions. It's free money for doing something you might already do, like depositing your paycheck or paying bills. The key is to stay organized. Keep track of the requirements and timelines so you don't miss out on the bonus. And don't worry, you can close the accounts after you've collected the money, though some banks may require you to keep the account open for a few months to avoid an early account termination fee. A few important tips. First, always read the fine print to avoid surprises. Some banks charge monthly maintenance fees, but these can often be waived by meeting deposit or balance requirements. Second, use a calendar or reminder system to track deadlines and withdrawal dates so you don't accidentally lose a bonus. Third, be mindful of tax implications. Bank bonuses are considered taxable income. Finally, don't overextend yourself. Signing up for too many accounts at once can become overwhelming.